guys, it's Stephanie Durham here with the Whittemore Group at eXp Realty. I am here doing a preview at Surf Dweller Condominiums here on Okaloosa Island. I just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough through this beautiful condo. Like I said, it's located on Okaloosa Island, beachside. I am on the second floor. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, built in 1985. And let me go ahead and give you guys a quick walkthrough inside. Alright, well, I'm inside Unit 206 here at Surf Dwellers on Okaloosa Island. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. Once you come in and hang a right, you will be here in this spacious kitchen. Beautiful granite countertop. Stainless steel appliances, tile flooring. And as you can see behind me, this beautiful double oven for those of you that like to multitask in the kitchen, which doesn't include myself, unfortunately. Then, as you come into the store here, takes you to the laundry room. Lots of space in this laundry room. You can change in here if you need to, fold your laundry if you need to, whatever you need to do in here, there's room for it. All right, and as we come out the kitchen, we're gonna head down the hall here. Again, this is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let me show you the first bedroom here. Got 2 full-size beds and still a lot of space in here. Plenty of closet space as well. And as we head back out, come into the hallway, we have your bathroom number 1. Lots of lighting in here. Nice and clean. And as we head back out, I'm going to take you into the main bedroom. Love this walk-in closet, guys. I'm pretty jealous because it's much bigger than the one I have at home. Lots of space here in this closet for you. And you have your bathroom. Very clean in here. Then you have your main bedroom. Got a king size bed. Love the red in here. This is carpeted. Both bedrooms have carpet. And as I mentioned earlier, the kitchen and main living areas are tiled. And then here you have access to the balcony right there at the beach. How beautiful is that? And as we head back out to the main living area, you have your breakfast bar here, dining area. It's very open in here, great for entertaining. And again, there's your beautiful view of the beach. You can hear the waves once you open the door. That's how close you are. Very short walk. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. Hopefully you can hear it. It's very loud out there when I stepped out here. Look at that. All right. Again, this is the Surf Dwellers condominium on Okaloosa Island, Florida. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built in 1985. It's right here on the beach, as you can see. Very beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this preview. Again, I'm Stephanie Durham with the Whittemore Group at eXp Realty. See you later.